Human knowledge is not a collection of isolated facts. It is a deeply interconnected web of cause and effect. But when we feed information into standard AI retrieval systems, known as naive RAG, we break that web. We take continuous logic and shatter it into thousands of disconnected floating text chunks. Today's large language model applications run almost entirely on vector databases. They are incredibly fast at finding individual pieces of text. But this underlying architecture possesses a significant limitation. It relies entirely on flat data representations. It stores text as standalone islands, stripping away the context that links them together. This diagram illustrates where this architecture fails. A query asks how electric vehicles influence air quality. Vector search pulls isolated cards for electric vehicles and air pollution. Looking at these separated cards, it's clear the system is blind to the overarching context connecting them. This exposes the core limitation of naive RAG. Keyword matching succeeds at the surface level, but the architecture lacks the necessary mechanisms to capture complex interdependencies. A flat retrieval system can isolate individual data points with high accuracy, but it cannot mathematically reconstruct the multi-dimensional relationships that give those points meaning. To cure this contextual blindness, the industry turned to knowledge graphs. Instead of storing floating chunks of text, these graphs explicitly map out the structural relationships between entities, forcing the system to record how different concepts interact. But standard graph databases introduce a massive trade-off. They provide deep structural understanding, but extracting that information requires brute force graph traversal. The system has to crawl through highly complex connected pathways, triggering high computational costs and sluggish query times. For years, system design dictated a strict choice between the rigid awareness of graphs and the fluid speed of vectors. LightRAG provides the architectural framework to dismantle this false dichotomy. It proves that structural intelligence and processing speed are not mutually exclusive. This outlines the system's overarching design philosophy. It unifies the structural depth of graphs with the high-speed search of vectors, while incorporating dynamic memory for seamless updates. The direct convergence of these three capabilities creates true dynamic memory for large language models. AI engineers no longer need to choose between the rich context of graphs and the agility of vectors. The new standard demands both without compromise. To understand how LightRAG achieves this speed, we must look at its core architecture, starting with its unique method for indexing and structuring raw data. This flowchart breaks down the initial pipeline. A document is segmented into 1,200 token chunks, processed to identify distinct entities and relational connections. Step 3 details extraction. From text, the system maps the node cardiologists, the node heart disease, and creates the edge connecting them, diagnose. This structuring allows for the most critical innovation of the architecture, the profiling mechanism. Rather than a heavy graph state, the system compresses data. A graph node expands into a key value table. The upper short text key triggers fast vector retrieval. The lower long text value provides a highly summarized, high-context paragraph specifically for the language model to read. The strategic advantage here is direct computational efficiency. By embedding the graph's topology into key-value text pairs, the system completely bypasses slow, inefficient chunk traversal. This profiling process translates the heavy architecture of a relational graph into a lightweight format optimized for vector matching speeds. Moving to the retrieval phase, the system has to address the varying dimensions of user queries. Some prompts require localized precision, others demand macro-level synthesis across an entire dataset. LightRAG operates on two distinct paradigms simultaneously. On the left, low-level retrieval is detail-oriented, extracting precise entities to answer targeted questions. On the right, high-level retrieval is concept-oriented, pulling sweeping arcs of aggregated information across related entities to capture overarching themes. This workflow illustrates the engine in action. A query enters and mathematically separates into local keys for specific details and global keys for broad themes. Looking at step 3, during vector matching, the system captures the immediate one-hop radius around the retrieved nodes. Capturing these immediate one-hop neighbors enriches the available context massively. Because of key-value profiling, it achieves this without the computational penalty of brute force graph traversal. By firing both local and global keys simultaneously, the system achieves total microscopic and macroscopic awareness in a single action. The third architectural pillar focuses on dynamic dataset updates. Traditional graph databases face a severe operational bottleneck when ingesting new information. This contrasts updating standard GraphRAG versus LightRAG. In the top half, appending new data shatters the existing structure, requiring a computationally expensive regeneration of the entire network. Below, LightRAG executes updates as a seamless mathematical union of new node and edge sets. The new data locks directly into place, integrating instantly without disturbing the highly connected structure that already exists. Treating data ingestion as a mathematical union rather than a total system rebuild achieves zero disruption. It keeps enterprise-grade memory up to date with minimal friction. The architecture is conceptually rigorous, but it must be evaluated on its actual computational cost at scale. How do these structural advantages translate into hard quantitative metrics? This table reveals a significant token efficiency disparity on a 5 million token dataset. GraphRAG costs over 600,000 retrieval tokens. LightRAG achieves the same output in one API call using under 100 tokens, reducing usage by over 99.9%. That efficiency directly impacts output accuracy across industry datasets. Focus on the legal column and the red callout. At a 5 million token scale, naive RAG's win rate collapses to 17%, while LightRAG surges past 80%. When engineers completely discarded the original raw text chunks from the prompt, response quality did not drop. It stabilized or improved. The algorithmic reason is precise. The generated graph metadata and key-value profiling are so highly accurate that feeding the original raw text to the language model actually introduces statistical noise. Machine comprehension improves significantly when language models are provided with synthesized, relationally mapped metadata instead of expanding volumes of raw text. This specific shift in retrieval design changes the hierarchy of systems available for large-scale enterprise applications. This matrix evaluates historical RAG iterations against 4 critical benchmarks. Naive RAG, HIDE, RQRAG, and GraphRAG all fail to check every box, forcing compromises. On the bottom row, LightRAG uniquely achieves all 4 benchmarks simultaneously. This case study demonstrates the qualitative difference in a real-world scenario. While standard GraphRAG returns a flat list of metrics, LightRAG delivers contextually rich output, detailing interrelations between mean average precision, area under the curve, and user engagement. Isolated keyword matching is no longer sufficient. Reliable retrieval now requires systems that can navigate the dense relational networks inherent in human knowledge.